Me, Deboki Basu from Boutique D Design, Kolkata. I've come again with another video today. Um, Hope you will enjoy today's video. Today I will go to show you some beautiful, some cotton silk sarees which you can think over for the gift purpose or for yourself also for any small occasions or something like that. So I mean these sarees are today's sarees, so you can think over it for your any kinds of regular occasions or any corporate events also you can think over it, or definitely for the gift purpose. So if you like my today's video, please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the future notifications and the future updates. And booking number is 9163860633, which is on screen is there. And any all the details are in descriptions box, you can check it out from there. Our store location is 51 by 1 Jaduna Tukil Road, Poschim Putiari, Kolkata 41. It's near Toliganj, Khudghat area, Netaji, near to Netaji metro station. And uh, hope you will enjoy today's episode. So let's start today's episode, and just take a screenshot and send it my WhatsApp number, which is on screen is there. This is the first sari. It's a beautiful piece sari, beautiful piece, and these saris are very soft material and easy to wear and easy to wash sari. uh, this is material is a cotton silk sari, but beautiful design and beautiful material, very soft, like as a pure silk, I mean the soft silk. So this is the first sari, maroon in color and with a golden copper zari, not the pure golden, it's a golden and copper zari mix sari. Upper yoke and lower yoke designs are like this, and these all are the weaving saris. These all are the weaving saris, and this is the buta, this circle butas in on all over sari. Throughout the sari, the same design follows. Beautiful piece. Just little bit of golden jewelry you can wear with this sari. And this is a blouse piece, 1 meter pure blouse piece. Those who want to try very first time to wear sari, for them this is a perfect saris. Very lightweight, easy to wear, easy to wash also. And this is the next one. It's blue in color, I mean the royal blue in color, and with the silver zari. With the silver zari. See the beautiful sari. Design is beautiful. Silver zari work with palla and throughout the sari. This is a lower yoke border with a flower motif, and all over body in these kinds of butas is there, flower buta, and upper yoke also the same continue. So, entire sari goes like this way. This is a blouse piece with this sari with silver border both side. Next one, this is a green in color, I mean the this is bottle green color, beautiful piece. In palla, here is a small sequence work in palla. Here is a small sequence work, I mean the zero sequence work is there only in palla. And throughout the sari, this kind of copper golden zari there in upper yoke as well as the lower yoke border. Okay, and throughout the sari, this kind of square buttas is there, uh, geometry shape square buttas all over sari. Let's continue. These all are the weaving sari, but very user friendly sari. This is a blouse piece with this sari. Next sari, this is a beautiful and stunning color and very sober and a very elegant piece. Those who want a sober and decent piece, very lightweight. All saris are lightweight. These cotton silk saris are very lightweight material. This is an light shade of copper, a body color. On that copper weaving is there in upper yoke and the lower yoke. Lower yoke is a much broader. It's a broad lower yoke part, and the palla also in silver zari, copper zari. But body is a plain. Body is a plain, very very elegant or corporate. As a for the corporate event also you can think of it, this kind of sari. For the senior clients, I mean the senior persons also you can think over it, this kind of sari. This is a running blouse piece with this sari, beautiful piece. Next one, this is also in sky color sari, and here also the copper weave as well as the self weaving sari is there. Here, this is a see, this is a entire sari looks like, and this sari is in sky in color, and the weaving upper yoke and the lower yoke, here is a copper weaving with katha weave design, and in the middle this kind of self weave texture weaving is here. I mean it's a texture weaving. I don't know whether in camera will be justify or not. So entire sari looks like this, and palla also the thread weaving is there. So this is the entire sari looks like. Throughout the middle portion, this kind of texture design weaving is there. This is a running blouse with this sari, but you can wear a contrast blouse with all these sari, so that will be look much better. So today this much. Hope you will enjoy today's video. If you like my today's video, please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And today's episode, all these sari prices only 2,000. We will get only at 2,000 all over India, or courier charges absolutely free of cost. Only within Kolkata we have a cash on delivery services, which is in extra charges of 100 to 200 rupees, and booking number is 9163860633. You just take a screenshot and send it by WhatsApp number, and or else for any inquiry you can WhatsApp in this number. Okay, so any inquiry you can put your comments also in comment section. So today this much. Hope you will enjoy today's episode. We'll come again soon with next episode.